I just got to get it to Harbor Freight. A pretty big job to do with my air ride and the pickup, so I'm gonna step up my game for 2021. Stay tuned. About to pick up some stuff. Step up my game a little bit and get more professional grade tools. And this was on sale, $165. I'll let you guys know how it goes. That was on sale for $18. So this out of the box, it came with some tires, screws to both the tires, filter, instructions, and the actual compressor. It's good looking color. It's definitely a 19 millimeter. Tighten these up. All right, up next is the filter, and that goes right here. All right, so the next step is to fill this up with oil, and what you have to do is fill it up to that middle right there. All right, so now for the break-in. What you have to do is you have to open this valve, add oil. Then you move this to auto, and then you let it run for about 25 to 30 minutes. You gotta keep checking the oil level though while you do this prop. I know it looks pretty overwhelming right here, but it's gonna go back there in that corner, that box is, and with a little bit of room to spare. So yeah, I think we'll be okay.